In the quiet world of a backyard garden, an ancient partnership is at work on the fuzzy stems of a milkweed plant. These busy black ants are farmers. They tend a colony of tiny aphids clustered along the tender new growth and leaf undersides. The aphids pierce the plant with needle-like mouthparts to drink its sap, excreting a sweet, sticky liquid called honeydew. Watch closely as the ants gently stroke the aphids with their antennae, milking them for this sugary reward. In return, the ants protect their tiny livestock from predators. It's a perfect mutualism. The ants get high-energy food while the aphids gain fierce bodyguards. Zoom in on this miniature dairy farm in action. This fascinating behavior is common on milkweed across North America, a beautiful reminder of how everything in nature is connected.